Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been months since I posted my last video. So some things changed in my life. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm going to school to get my certification as a makeup artist. Finally, I made this decision and honestly, it's the best decision of my life. I'm having so much fun and I'm learning a lot. It literally took me 10 years to understand that I needed I needed education. I needed just to go to school and do things right and learn about the makeup industry. But yeah, I want to say that YouTube actually helped me a lot. I learned a lot through YouTube, and I'll say it's different. It's very different. The YouTube world within the professional world of makeup artists, if it makes sense. Basically, I'm going to school Monday to Friday. Today is Saturday, and something happened this week, so I decided to make a video about it. I hope to edit this video soon, as quick as possible, just to put it out there. Anyway, as you could see from the title, something amazing happened. I received my first PR package and it's from PIXIBEAUTY. Obviously, I removed my address. I am so happy, guys. I am so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, PIXIBEAUTY. I am shocked. I am super excited. I never had any makeup for free sent to me ever, and I also love this company. I really like their skincare. I love their eyeshadow glitter, and yeah, I'm still shocked I've been chosen. But yeah, I'm going to receive PR packages now. I'm so happy. Obviously, I'm going to show you what's inside, and also I'm going to play with it on my face. I already applied my base, foundation, concealer, powder, and I did my eyebrows. This is what I received. The packaging is so beautiful. Oh my god, look at these palettes, guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to play with it. These are all the stencils that were inside. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this, which is another shape, but I'm not sure how I'm supposed to use this. It's kind of sticky. But yeah, these are the 3 stencils to play with. I really don't know what to use. If this one over here, this is the Hazelnut Haze, or the Rosette Ray. They're both so beautiful, but I think for my personality, I will choose Hazelnut Haze. That has all the cream gold, neutral bronze kind of shades. Okay, I'm gonna start with this brown right here. The texture is so soft. Just gonna place it here in my crease. By the way, guys, my skin is crying for help. I have the worst skin right now just because in the week, obviously, me and my classmates, we have to practice on each other and do our makeup. So at the moment, I'm applying makeup every single day and my skin is not having it. My skin is like, please leave me alone. Please just get some face mask and cream and just, I'm trying, okay? I'm doing my skincare routine morning and evening, but still I don't see that much of an improvement. I'll try and do more face mask. Maybe it will improve a little bit more the situation. Anyway, second step, I'm going to place this cream. Oh, I can see myself in the mirror. I'll take this cream shade right here and just place it in the middle like this. At school, we practice on a bridal look, and I think these palettes are the best for any bridal look because are just on a natural side, neutral tone with a little bit of shimmer as well. I don't know if you can tell. Just perfect. They have a mirror, they're compact, they're just easy to bring with you anywhere. I just love these products. From the other palette, I'm going to take this shimmery cream over here and I just want to try to apply here. The pigmentation is there, you can tell the difference. I'm just loving this color. And we are done. I'm not going to do much with my eyes. Today I was watching this video from Judy D. I love her videos, I found them so hilarious. Anyway, in one video she wanted this very natural, no makeup look, and I'm trying to kind of recreate the same today with Pixi Beauty. Next, I'm not sure which one to try. If this one over here, they may look similar in the camera, but I can assure you are different. In this one, the blush, it's darker than here. And also the highlighters are different. This one goes more into the champagne and this one is gold. The two contouring bronze colors are slightly different. You can see this is more warm and this is more cool tone. Okay, I am back. In the meantime, my battery died. Yeah, let's move on. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to do a little bronzing. Oh, I love the color. And now I'm going with the blush. I love it. I like it so much. This is the honey nectar. I used the Ambrosia for the bronzer, and then on the top Honey for the blush. And now I'm going to use Nectar, which is this. Actually, let me see the other one. Yeah, I think I'm going to pick the highlighter from the other one. This is the Sugar Blossom, and I'm going to use Blossom as highlight, which is a little bit less goldish and more into the champagne kind of color. Can you see it? It is very, very beautiful. Oh my god, I love this look. It's just so natural, so fresh, and I'm literally glowing. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use this. You guys already know I love this mascara. So the video finished here. I once again thank you so much to Pixi Beauty for these amazing palettes, and obviously I'm going to show you all the products that I receive. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!